I know we learned how to call lunch, how to say it in Azerbaijani, but we have another way of saying it. Let's see. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, you have a new word called Nahar. Nahar. Nahar is lunch or midday meal or dinner called in the UK. Let's see some phrases, and along the way, I will explain where this word comes from. Okay? To have lunch, at lunchtime, or cook a midday meal like they call it in dinner, UK. Now, nahar etmek, to have lunch. In this case, nahar etmek literally means someone is eating it because etmek, the literal translation, is to do. Okay? Nahar vaxtı, nahar vaxtında. Lunchtime, nahar vaxtı, and I gave you a bonus there, nahar vaxtında. If you add it there to the end, it will be at lunchtime. To cook dinner, to cook midday meal, nahar bişirmek or nahar yeməyi bişirmək. Now, let's see the sentence. İş günlərim çox gərgin keçir. Ona görə də komanda ilə nahar vaxtında qısa iclas edib günün prioritetlərini dəqiqləşdirdik. Some loan words, but let's translate first. My workdays are very intense, so we hold a quick working lunch with the team to clarify the day's priorities. Now, the word nahar comes from Persian. That's why we have a different word for more official. Günorta yeməyi, like a literal translation called day meal. But we use nahar also. Now, let's translate this sentence. İş günlərim çox gərgin keçir. Our work days are very intense. Çox gərgin, very intense. Keçir is the literal translation, passing by. But in here, are. So we hold a quick working lunch. Ona görə də, so, that's why. Komanda ile, komanda, it's a loan word. Komanda, you write, you say komanda. İlə, with the team. Komanda is a team. Nahar vaxtında qısa iclas edib, a quick working lunch means, you know how it is. It's a meeting and lunch same time. That's the one. Günün prioritetlərini dəqiqləşdirdik. Prioritet, you see how prioritet, you write. That's also a loan word. It's a priorities. Dəqiqləşdirmək. Dəqiq means exact. Dəqiqləşdirmək, to clarify, to basically to make sure. Dəqiqləşdirdik. To clarify, we clarified. Dəqiqləşdiririk, we clarify. One more time. İş günlərim çox gərgin keçir. Ona görə də komanda ilə nahar vaxtında qısa iclas edib günün prioritetlərini dəqiqləşdiririk. Dəqiqləşdiririk. I know it's hard. Dəqiqləşdiririk. All right. Another one. Həftəsonu parkda nahar etmək üçün səbət hazırladıq. Çünki hava günəşli idi və hamı ac idi. Let's translate. Since it was sunny and everyone was starving, we packed a basket to have lunch in the park over the weekend. Həftəsonu, weekend. Parkda, in the park. Nahar etmək üçün, to have lunch, səbət hazırladıq. Hazırlamak, technically to prepare, but in this case, you pack it. Səbət is a basket, okay? Çünki, because, since, hava günəşli idi. It was sunny. The literal translation, the weather was sunny, basically. Və hamı ac idi, and everyone was starving, or literal translation again, everyone was hungry. Okay? Həftəsonu parkda nahar etmək üçün səbət hazırladıq. Çünki hava günəşli idi və hamı ac idi. Since it was sunny and everyone was starving, we packed a basket to have lunch in the park over the weekend. Cool beans? That was the word nahar. Let's see how else we can use it. Maybe some dad jokes. If emails had calories, I'd skip nahar. Now, I have Master Azerbaijani built for you, available in Apple Store and Google Store to help you learn the foundations of the language for free. I also have Master Azerbaijani, where I post every 10 days to get you familiar with the cultural and historical aspects of the language. And I'm still here if you want to learn one more word every day. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.